Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are going to discuss activity book and our concerned chapter is chapter number 9, poetry. Here is the first activity which is related to listening. Here I am sharing a track or an audio with you. This is about the poem When I Grew Up by Cyril Wong. He was the writer or he was the author of this poem. The story of the poem is that he visited his old house where he used to live in past with his family. He visited again there and imagined or felt everything here which he used in past with his family. Here is the soundtrack. You will listen this twice or thrice till complete understanding. Then here I am sharing with you a page from activity book listening. You will solve these questions. For the complete understanding, you have to learn or you have to listen it twice or thrice. Now there are the answers of the activity of the poem When I Grew Up. I am sharing with you the answers of this activity book. You can take help from your activity book for the questions, and here are the answers relating to this audio track which you will listen. First of all, the first question is, the speaker did not tell his sister what he was doing. The speaker of the poem has visited the place which he used to live with his family at all times. Now the question is, the speaker did not tell his sister what he was doing. Why do you think that was so? The answer is because the condition of the house was not too good where he visited and lived in past. The next question is, how had the furniture changed? Furniture was rotted from corners. The next question is, what was the state of the potted plants? They were hanging from ceiling, slumped and mourning from negligence. Mourning, M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G, mourning mean grieving. Question number 4 is, what did the speaker's family eat every Sunday morning? They ate every Sunday blend watery porridge. Porridge is a dish. Question number 5, why did mother stir the pot continually? Due to the fear of coagulation of the content which she added into the pot. Therefore, mother was stirring pot continually. Question number 6, where did the children play? They played outside the house. Question number 7 is, what would the speaker do when his mother called him? He moves forward and stumbles with her chest. Question number 8, what would the speaker's sister do when her mother called her? She ignores her mother and she doesn't move forward towards her mother. After hearing this poem, what image remains clear in your mind? Describe it as you see it. So in this question number 9, you can give your own experiences and you can share your own images which comes in your mind. Here the one image which comes in my mind is the image of the Sunday morning is clear. The poet sat with his family in kitchen to eat breakfast. You can also write as you imagine here in this question. Question number 10, if this poem were to continue, what would the poet write next? The poem is ended. If the poet remains continue, then what would the poet write next? So the answer is, I think poet shares with us his mother's love and care for them. For them, whom them the poet, and for his sister. So hope you will understand them. For the complete understanding, you can also listen the track twice or thrice and more until your complete understanding comprehension. You will write them on your the answers on your activity book, page number 114 or 114. See you next time. Take care.